down in my throat. Can I get in the middle? Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I'm not here to hurt nobody. I'm sorry. I am not begging. I'm entertaining. Keep all the personal belongings and packages in the site at all times. Protect yourself. If you see a suspicious package or activity on the platform or train, do not keep that shit to yourself. You tell a police officer, MTA employee, or you tell me.
Stop is 103rd Street.
Stand clear of the
It might be a bag of money or a bag of medical weed. I am talking about the medical weed. If you find a bag of money or medical weed, give that to me. The haze, piff, the sour, diesel, purple, chocolate, mango, Arizona, Hawaiian, chronic, sour, or kush kush. I make jokes about weed. I do not smoke no more weed.
That's a shame.
I stopped smoking weed last night. I promise I ain't smoking no more weed until tomorrow night. I like to see people smile. Can you help my family smile with a hot meal? Nickel, dollar, a dime, or 1 penny. 100 pennies will make $1.
103rd Street.
I ain't rob nobody. I ain't steal from nobody. Right there in the cup. And I ain't begging. I'm entertaining. I'm coming. Now drop it and bring me good luck. Thank you, pretty. Beautiful mommy and beautiful daughter. Don't tell daddy what I said, okay? Thank you, everybody.
This is a Bronx-bound 4 train. The next stop is 110th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Like the shirt. It's nice. It's a nice shirt. I like that. God bless all of you. Thank you, guys. God bless you too, brother. I love you all from the heart.
You forgot sourdough.
I just said sour.
Oh.
Rewind and see. Try to forget nothing.
All right.
Sour's in there twice. I said it. Thank you, yo. I love you. Oh, I'm getting up at 125. So let this be the last card. I got more jokes coming up. I want to say happy weekend to all the beautiful people and the ugly ones too. We got to stop treating ugly people bad. Let us
110th Street.
Let us start to treat the ugly people nice, because it is not their fault that they were born ugly. You have to blame their parents for having ugly ass kids. Ugly people, they don't smile and they don't laugh.
116th Street.
Stand clear
If
of
you
the
think I
closing
am
doors,
lying,
please.
look, I have never seen ugly people laughing nor smiling. Ugly people don't laugh. If you think I'm lying, look at the people standing or sitting next to you right now on this train. If they're not smiling, look and see why. They are ugly. Trust me. All the ugly people are mad with me right now. They just put the money back in their pocket, so I ain't giving him shit. I told you, you didn't believe me? Look at the ugly people in this car. I know I ain't gonna get no money from them. Look at them. They want to murder me right now. My girl is so ugly, I have a problem trying to find out when she crying from when she ain't crying. That's how ugly she is. I like.
This is a Bronx-bound 4 train. The next stop is 125th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I'm getting off the next stop. If anyone else care to help, it will be greatly appreciated. I'm getting off right now. May God bless you all, and have a safe journey. Peace out, y'all.
God bless, brother.
All right. Somebody decide that out, maybe